Hi, my name is Michele and I am from Chicana Studies 100. We are doing Radicals of Walking Tours where we share a little bit of history from our community. I'm currently studying in Dr. Manuel and Lopez Middle School, which was previously known as Richard B. Haydock Middle School. Its name was changed as a petition made by two middle schoolers who had learned about Richard B. Haydock and his racist views towards people of color. They learned this by the book Strategies of Segregation by David J. Garcia, in which he shares that at the time, schools were segregated in 4 different methods, which were establishing racial hierarchy, building interconnections between residential school segregation, constructing school models within school models of racial separation, and admitting to rationale for segregation. At the time of the 1950s to the 1970s, the schools that were segregated, at the time between the 1950s to the 1970s, the schools that were segregated were Juanita School, Ramona School, Theodore Roosevelt, Woodrow Wilson, and Richard B. Haydock. In the 1970s, this all changed when Juan L. Soria organized a class action lawsuit on behalf of Mexican American and Black students who attended segregated schools in Oxnard. This is important for us to know because as of today, many schools in Oxnard continue to be segregated. As of today, on Oxnard School District, all but 4 of the 17 elementary schools have 90% Latino students, and many times school equality is related to neighborhood equality. So my name is Michele. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and please continue to watch the Radicals of Walking Tours.